In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to create a new account for a student. There are actually two ways to create new student accounts. The first way is to send the placement test, but I'll go over that in the later video called How to Send the Placement Test. But what I want to do today is show you this fast, easy way so that you can spend as little as time possible doing admin and get into a lesson with a student as quickly as possible. Here's how to do it. Before I show you how to create student accounts, I want to tell you why it's so important to have accounts for all your students. When your students each have an account, it supercharges all of your teaching efforts. It allows you to send the placement test to your students so you can see their strengths and weaknesses and build a learning plan. It allows you to enroll students into lessons and track their progress, and it allows students to complete homework assignments and access lesson summaries on their own. Creating student accounts will let you manage even a large number of students with very little effort. To create your first student account, let's go to the Student Management section, and I get there by clicking on the Student Management icon in the menu. So here I have an example student, and in a later video we'll talk about your student's profile page. But for now, I just want to show you how to add your own student. All I have to do is click this plus sign. And now I'm going to add my student's information. The student nickname is how you'll recognize the student in the Student Management section. I can put in the student's email. Next, you set the student's password. You can give the student an individual password, or you can start with a generic password and then ask your student to choose a more secure password and let you know, because you have the power to update it. The student interface language is set to English by default, but if I know that my student is a low level and I know my student's native language, I can choose this here. I'll leave it as English. And I can choose to send a copy of the login credentials to my student. This is no by default, but if I click yes, then my student will get an email with instructions on how to log in. If I click no, I will need to send that information to my student myself. I click add student, and now my student exists. The example student has been replaced with my first real student.